Today I am shopping at the Goodwill Outlet bins. All these bins full of stuff that you come in and you dig through. It's like a treasure hunt. Every time, you never know what you're going to find. I just found a whole tote full of ornaments. These are plastic though, so I don't know. They are cute and I like the look of them. Little cherubs and angels. Here's a little bell. Let's see what this is. It's another little angel. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave them, guys. They're plastic. It says made in China. They could be from the Dollar Tree. I have no clue. So yeah, I think I'm gonna leave them here. Hopefully somebody else scoops them up because they are very pretty. And hanging on a tree, you would not even know that they were plastic. There's a good bit of people here today. There's also been lots of clothes. I have dug through several bins already and have not found anything so far. Oh darn, they're taking away bins that I have not dug through yet. So I'm gonna keep digging through this before I go to the wall, which is my favorite place to dig because these are the bins that they actually bring out pretty often. So I'm gonna keep looking through these, see if I find everything. It's a little pegboard, not pegboard, you know what I mean, where you stick the pins in. Oh my gosh, y'all. Sometimes when I'm filming, there's just so much going on that the words totally escape me. Oh, here's a TJ Maxx bag and it has a little whale. Oh no, it's a crab. That's cute. I don't need any more though. I have enough for now. Oh look, here's another one. Those are cute. That'd be cute to go to the beach. If you do a lot of shipping and stuff, those bags are amazing. You can fit a lot of packages in one of those. All right, they're taking out the last bin. So they take out 3 bins and then they bring 3 new ones in. But you have to, you see how people are kind of lining up? You have to stand and wait for all the new bins to come out before you can dig. These are very heavy. Let's see what the back says. International Heartland. Has like this little farm scene on it. It's a ton of them, but this is not really my style, so I'm gonna leave this here as well. All right, I finally found some to put in my cart. Some books. We have the Good Night Pookie book by the same author and we love it. So I'm gonna grab these to read to Ren and hopefully she enjoys those as much as Good Night Pookie. Oh, here's another one, A to Z. We'll try that one as well. All my other kids I read to a lot, but she is just not one to sit still and let you read to her. But lately, oh, this one too. I wonder if I'm thinking about this book, not Good Night Pookie. I know we have this one already, but not a hippopotamus. Let's see. Is it on here? I don't see Good Night Pookie. Okay, I must be thinking about something else. But we like that Good Night Pookie book. Anyway, lately she has been wanting to read, so I'm gonna get those and see if she likes them. Now I'm gonna have to see who is the author of the Good Night Pookie book, because now I'm curious. Oh, they brought those bins out. I need to go dig over there. Sometimes oh, this is cute. Sometimes I go right when they bring stuff out, like if I have nothing else, you know, to dig through. But I'm definitely not one. Oh, Ren's going to love this. Oh, it has some stuff on it. I think I'll leave that there. She loves these little Disney princesses. Okay, let's go dig through those new bins. All right, I got a few very small things out of that bin. I got this Santa. He even still has a tag on it. He's wooden. I don't know if I'm gonna keep him or not. I just grabbed him. I love these little gold frames. I'm collecting these from my little mystery boxes. I think they're perfect because they're light, and you know, you can, if you like the picture that's in them, you can leave it, or you could DIY something, or you can just put your own picture. But I love these little gold frames. And then I found not one but 2 rabbits. I'm definitely going to keep them together as a set. I know Christmas is not even here, but it's time to start thinking about spring stuff. So any rabbit I find from here on out is definitely going in my cart. Lots of clothes today. Okay, I really want to go dig through that stuff, but I need to finish digging through these carts before they start taking them away. So let's see. There's a little urn. No, I think I'll leave that here. It's a little tea candle thing. There's some Tupperware. Pot. See if there's anything over here. There's a bedspread. I like the pattern on this, but it definitely is not in the best condition. All right, not finding too much today. I've dug through all the bins, so now it's time to dig through my favorite part. Little basket. It's cute. Lots of shoes. The other part of the bins was not that great, so I'm really hoping this area provides some goodies for me. But this is where I usually find all the good stuff. That's why it is my favorite part to come look. What is this? Why is there 3 little feet on it? It says 402 USA. I'm not crazy about the colors though, so I'm gonna leave that here. Some mugs, some little baby shoes, toys. I wonder if they had some drama here, because I see this sign is up that was not here before. Oh, that's perfect for spring as well. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is with the little bunnies. Ooh, these bowls are precious. Says something on the bottom. Says France. Ooh, ooh, I really like these. I love the little edges on them. Okay. I'm gonna put them in my cart and think about them. It's not something, oh, there's another one. It's not something I normally pick up, but look how adorable that is, just stacked like this. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, put them in my cart. They do have some marks on them, but I think that's all stuff that would come off. They also have the music a lot lower today, so it's easier to kind of take y'all along with me and dig. When the music is blaring, it's a lot harder. First of all, I can't concentrate, and I don't know, it makes it stressful when the music is really loud. Some more floral. Ooh, it's kind of wispy. These look more plasticky though. The other ones looked more realistic. I don't know. Let's see what else is in here. Yeah, you see how bright the green leaves are? I don't really care for that. I'm gonna leave these here. Somebody else might want them. Let's see what these little cups are. Happy birthday, Jeff. Looks like some little shot glasses or something that somebody made. Some little plates. Oh, this was really popular. What is this called? Terrazzo, maybe? These are from Walmart. I can't think of the name of that pattern. It was really, really popular a few years ago. Always gotta look up here. That's cute. Oh, it has a little hole so you could even hang it on the wall. Can y'all see all the crazing on this leaf? That's adorable. I don't think it's an older piece. I think it's a reproduction, but it's still really, really pretty. Some books. Alright guys, I just looked up this guy using Google Lens, and apparently he is a German smoker Santa worth around $80. Like, that's what he's retailing for brand new right now, which is crazy. I almost put him back. Oh no, he's missing an arm. Where did I get him from? Oh, I just noticed that. Okay, I need to go see if I can find his arm, but I almost put him back on the shelf without doing Google Lens, but he's missing an arm, so I have to see. Also found this crock. It says the United States of America. Look how cute that is. Little small, and then this is for my kids. Little mushroom man, and then this is a little it's not an American Girl doll, I forget what it's called, but she comes with a book and everything, so I got that for Rand. Oh y'all, I don't remember what bin the Santa came from, and they actually might have taken it away. All right, let's just look through here, see what they have, and then I'll go look through the other bins again, see if I can find our little German Santa's arm. Some coasters. Sometimes I find some really cute vintage coasters, but I'm not into those. That's cute. It's like a little press tin picture frame, but I think I'm gonna leave that here. There's a cute little duck. Oh, he's heavy too, but it looks like his head broke off and his beak. Woven purses. Some little nutcrackers. This one's missing an arm as well. Do y'all do nutcrackers for Christmas? That's something that I've never really picked up or decorated with, is nutcrackers. Ooh. Well, here's some more. He's missing his hat. But here's a cute little thing of twine. I'm gonna grab that. You can never have enough twine, especially around Christmas time, because I use this to wrap all my Christmas ornaments as well. This looks like a bunch of china pieces. It's cute little blue flowers. Winterling, made in Germany. Got the teacups, the little creamers. That's a different pattern. Here's some of the bigger plates, and then they also have some of the little plates. That's crazy that they have this many at the Goodwill bins. Normally you just find a few of the same thing, if even that. A lot of times it's just one of an item. Alright guys, well, I dug through everything. I didn't find too much today, but I'm happy with the stuff I found. Oh, I didn't even show y'all this. I picked up these two trays. Look at the edges on these trays, how beautiful. There's this kind of rectangle shaped one and this oval one. It does, you know, it's brass, so there's probably water and stuff sitting on here, perfume bottles, but I still think it's so pretty. I love it. They both have handles, they have nice patina, so I'm gonna get both of these. And unfortunately, I could not find the hand of our little friend. I'm pretty sure that they took the bin that I found him in, so I'm gonna leave him here and maybe somebody else will rescue him. So I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip to the Goodwill bins. I will put a total on the screen, and please leave a comment below and let me know what was your favorite item. I think it's these bowls, because this is not something I normally pick up, but like I said, something about it is just speaking to me, especially the edges. Love them. Love that there's 3 of them, so you can just stack them like this on a shelf and they'd be so cute. So once again, I hope y'all enjoyed this shopping trip, and I will see y'all in the next video.